Hello, my name is Jimmy Costello from the NX Product Marketing Team, and today we'll explore how the new Sketch Navigator can help analyze and enhance your existing sketches. This powerful tool allows you to review whether your sketches are fully defined and view the dimensions and relations applied to each curve and line. We'll start by examining a sketch and taking a closer look at its details. To access the Sketch Navigator, simply double-click the sketch from either the display window or the Part Navigator. When the Sketch Navigator opens, we can immediately see there are 4 tabs to work inside of: Curves, Relations, External References, and Issues. For today's video, we're just going to explore the basics of the Curves and Relations tabs. The Curves tab holds a directory of all arcs and lines that are used within the sketch. Additionally, we can find the horizontal and vertical axes and origin used in our sketch by hovering over each respective option. One of the key benefits of using the Sketch Navigator is its ability to indicate when your sketch is fully defined. In the Curves tab, the status column shows whether each arc and line is fully defined, with the sketch row at the top of the window displaying the overall status of the entire sketch. When a sketch is fully defined, a filled black circle appears under the status column. If we delete a dimension, we can see changes in the status of all associated lines and curves. A white circle indicates that the sketch is only partially defined. Any arcs and lines that display this white circle can still be moved. Moving on, let's now explore the Relations tab. Here, we can find all dimensions that have been applied to the sketch, as well as any persistent relations that can be found. If we select any of the dimensions in the Navigator, they will be highlighted within the sketch. This makes it very easy to make quick and efficient changes. Additionally, double-clicking on a persistent relation will allow us to make quick changes to items, such as patterns within our sketch. Another key aspect of the Relations tab in the Sketch Navigator is the Found Relations section. At first, it might appear that there are no found relations in the sketch. However, when you select a line or curve, NX will display the relationships associated with each respective line and curve. These relations help control and define the geometry within the sketch, ensuring it behaves as expected when dimensions and other constraints are modified. The last thing I want to look at before we finish is editing parameters. As we saw earlier, we could quickly edit dimensions through the Sketch Navigator, but another way we can do this is by right-clicking on the sketch's name at the top and selecting the Edit Parameters option. This is another place where we can go to edit patterns and dimensions efficiently. Here, we will see a preview in real time as we try different values, both numerically or by using the slider tool. In conclusion, in this video, we've explored the basics of using the Sketch Navigator to understand previously created sketches. More specifically, we looked at both the Curves and Relations tabs. We looked into understanding if our sketch was fully defined, viewing dimensions and relations, and editing parameters. I would like to thank you for your time and attention.